Alert type, earthquake for Quebec, Ontario. Take shelter. Take shelter. There has been an earthquake that has hit northeastern America and southeastern Canada. Magnitude in major cities: Ottawa, 10.2. Toronto, 10.5. Quebec City, 9.7. Fredericton, 8.9. Halifax, 7.8. Winnipeg, 3.1. Aftershocks of 8.0 magnitude or higher are expected. If you are inside, get under a sturdy piece of furniture. If you are outside, run to the nearest open area and crouch down with your hands over your head. Alert type, earthquake for Canada. Evacuate. More earthquakes have hit these areas. Magnitude in major cities: Ottawa, 10.9. Toronto, 11.1. Quebec City, 10.2. Fredericton, 9.4. Halifax, 7.8. Winnipeg, 3.4. Saskatoon, 4.9. Yellowknife, 5.0. Fissures are opening in the crust. These fissures are between 6 to 12 meters. To help with evacuation efforts, United States border will be open for the next 6 hours and shelters have opened in the following U.S. cities: Burlington, Vermont, Syracuse, New York; Rochester, New York; Erie, Pennsylvania. Please evacuate south. Alert type, civil emergency for Canada. Fissures have expanded and have caused many cities to collapse into the earth. The evacuation order that was issued 4 hours ago has expired. Do not evacuate. If you do, you are risking your life. This is a national emergency message. A global emergency is in progress. Please stand by. Alert type, national emergency. For Canada, fissures have expanded and have caused many cities to collapse into the earth. The evacuation order that was issued 6 hours ago has expired. Do not evacuate. If you do, you are risking your life. Vernshot effect is imminent. Gather your friends and family and spend your last minutes enjoying it. God bless you, and God bless Canada.